Okay, good, so they can hear this.
Oh, Sonny's got a fat ass too.
Okay.
Oops, sorry, not strong with health and a screwdriver.
Bottom. I'm still in my cage.
Yeah.
Still in my prison. What? I am near a door, but I don't have a screwdriver.
I got one in health.
Fuck no, baby! Oh my god!
Assuming you just escaped.
No, I'm escaping the Leatherface, bro. Woo! He hit me though, are you fucking serious?
Ooh. Scared the shit out of him.
There's gotta be something I can do.
I didn't escape.
Back up to full health.
I'm in Leatherface's lair and he's nearby. Just ran by.
Okay, he's chasing me.
Is there a door in Leatherface's lair?
I don't know.
There's one right over there.
Saying I'm trying to make it out the slumps right now, dog.
Got this.
You can do this. Think.
Where are you?
Picking. I'm in house basement. Blocking
Sorry,
the door.
Leland. My bad, G. I'm watching this door. I think Leland's dead.
I escaped.
You escaped? Where?
The basement. It's in house basement. Right outside of Leatherface. No.
Are they gone? God. I hope they're
Leland's
gone.
getting fucking cut up. I can. Ooh, get another screwdriver.
Yep, Leland's dead.
Where is everybody?
In the basement still.
Talking about the killers.
No,
Is there only one
they're
killer?
still around here somewhere. Be careful, Anna.
No, there's lots of killers. Ah, there's one. I've been exterior. I've escaped. Kind of.
Go! No! Are you?
You got this. I think I
Where'd
can
you
hear
go?
you. Me?
Where'd you escape?
House basement.
Leatherface lair?
Basement house. Yeah, it's right outside of the Leatherface's lair.
I found it. I found it. I found it.
Yeah, I've already got another door unlocked.
Woo! I'm out. I'm out.
Escape this place. I should probably help you over here. Oh, watch out! There's a killer.
Hitchhiker's
coming
on my
right.
ass, bro.
Yeah, I just watched.
Go, 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 go. Where are you?
Oh no! Don't bring him to me, dude.
Oh, hell no.
Help me.
Don't bring him in here. No, I'll heal you. There, get out of here. Get out of here.
Sorry, dog.
You bitch. I heal you, and this is.
I'm sorry.
There
I'm
There
sorry.
was
You didn't heal
driver here
shit.
the
I
whole
healed
time.
myself.
I also healed you. God damn it, boy. I could have escaped if I didn't help you. If you didn't bring all 3 killers here, I could have unlocked the door and helped us.
Nigga, did you know that I can see you?
Okay, great. You got me killed, Corey. Thanks.
Hey, I'm still alive.
Oh, great. Thanks why I unlocked 90% of the things you had to do to kill me. I never should have told you what it was. Are you?
Excuse me. Excuse me. Dude, I'm built different. I'm built different. I'm built different. Oh my god. What?
See who can escape the fastest.
How am I worse
Me
than
or
you? I escape most. Who's gonna get hit faster? Probably.
No,
I don't
who's
know.
gonna
Probably
escape
me.
faster?
Oh,
Me.
No, not a shot.
I'm baller.
You're gay.
Ready your ass up.
Ow, ow, ow. Yeah, yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, I got some health already, and I got some screwdrivers.
In God's name.
All right, blood bathroom doors
What
unlocked.
is this place?
Okay. Where is that? Like, is that near the lair?
Yes. It's like right by the lake. Yeah, I'm at this door.
Okay, I see it now.
Do they see
Once you
me?
come in here, I'm gonna latch the door, alright?
Nowhere to hell so I can have two.
Sorry, Julie. Alright, let's go. I'm over there.
You open it?
Yes, I opened it.
Okay, two people are at Grandpa. I saw him in the background.
We're gonna chill back here for a bit because I don't want to go in immediately as the noise activates. Alright, let's go.
Okay, before you go up
That's a
there,
ladder.
Okay.
I'm going up.
I don't sense anybody nearby.
Yeah, because no one is nearby.
Just double check.
We're good.
It's too.
Here, generator. I'm gonna go to it. Someone's close.
Are you upstairs?
Yeah, I'm with you.
Where? Wait, where?
Go behind you. Invisible, right?
You're not fucking behind me. You fell.
Oh, I am.
That's Julie.
Oh. What are you wearing?
Blue.
Yeah, no, I was looking at you. I was looking at you. I just saw Julie. I'm watching Julie get stabbed by two murderers as I hide in a corner. Plain sight, basically.
I'm going through the front door.
Dude, I am literally.
Alright, I'm unlocking the front door. By the way, I went to the front door.
I'm headed towards the front door. Fuck is this guy?
By the way, I'm turning off the generator. Front gate's about to be open, so hurry up.
Dude, get out of here.
Thank you.
Yeah, I got spotted. I'm just going. I'm bolting it. I'm going for the gate.
I think I know where the gate is. I can't go through it. Shit. Okay.
You
Escape,
just leave
guide
the
me
front.
to it.
If you leave through the front door,
I'm not going.
you know the front door of the house.
People
You just
there.
gotta run straight to the gate.
I went to
the front
back
gate.
garden.
You remember the gate where I was like twerking around
Yeah.
that one time? That's the gate. Leatherface is going to it right now. He sees me.
I got this. I attracted a lot of noise. Hopefully that helps.
Well, I mean, I'm already out. I'm just waiting.
Stay away from me.
Alright, I had to go. Leatherface was on me. I just didn't want to get hit.
Good, you can guide me.
Okay. Where are you right now?
Back garden.
Okay. You have to go literally the opposite side of the house.
So I'm noticing.
I guarantee if you run right through the house, you can go straight to the front
Oh,
door.
did he
and
see me?
probably
Did he see me? Oh, wait, is he going for the other one?
Let's find out.
Oh, no. I guess we're in.
No. Yeah, like I said, can you go around outside the house and get to the front?
I think I just tried that, but I'm gonna try it again. If I went this way, I probably could.
No, I don't think you can. I think you have to go straight through the house to get to the front. But that way's open.
Fucking all bushes.
I can use this.
Killer. Dude, that was close. Don't slam it. Don't slam it. Walk into it and open it. Now close it.
I've got to
There you go.
find
Now just go straight through the house to the front. Yep. No. He saw your ass.
Oh my God!
You have to go the way Hitchhiker went. To the front door.
Oh, you bitch.
Unless they turned on the generator. They can still turn on the generator.
The generator sounds like it's on.
Either cook or hitchhiker. And they haven't been at the generator yet. Dude, spam it, spam it. Oh, that was actually really bad.
And damage don't.
That did half your health.
Bro, damage don't fail me now.
Alright, out the front door. Hit X. Run! Run! No, run! It's easier. Pretty woman, walking down the street. Pretty woman.
In my cell, there's a screwdriver in the house. Sick.
My cell, there's a blood mark.
Getting so much noise, but I'm just spamming this to get. Is that me?
Yes.
I can see the layer.
Yeah, I can see it too. I'm in boiler room.
Where is he? Is he close? He's not. I'm escaping
Please
the
fit in
layer.
that lock. Please.
I don't see him. Let's go. Wait, you're not Julie.
This looks like some
Is this
kind
you?
of lockpick.
Me? Oh, I'm in the lair. Are you escaping? Yeah, I'm coming. I'm at the steps.
Good.
What's up, dog?
Two other of us. We're all here.
We're locked.
Hey guys!
Why is she
Gang,
doing
meet
this? We
up.
could have been out by now.
Yeah, kinda could have done it.
I swear, we all have.
You take too long, bitch.
Maybe through here?
One's over here.
Can I get through
Need to find a dark space. Oh, hey, Hitchhiker.
there? Might stop the bleeding. No. Oh no, they're here. Stay calm.
Dude, I got this guy on my
Are they
ass.
gone? God, I hope they're gone.
We're hiding in the gore room, bro.
Why won't they leave me alone?
Oh my god, no way.
I think they left. I know they're still around here somewhere.
Hitchhiker's chasing
Careful.
you.
Oh, good, because he just attacked me a lot.
Stay quiet. Breathe out.
Oh, yeah, he reset that. That just got me.
Stay calm.
I'm gonna go get the generator.
It's not there. It's somewhere else. What's up, dog?
I am invisible, dude. The generator. Don't hear it.
Yeah, because it's not there.
I know, I said, where is it? Wait.
I don't know.
Shh.
Hitchhiker. Yo, check this one out. You ready?
Yeah, we both got him. Wait, where's Hitchhiker? Is he close?
He's at the door.
Oh, he's reciting a trap for the third time.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh, shit. He's checking the shrubs outside the... Old move.
Are you?
Leatherface and Cook are outside.
Are you?
I'm in the bush still. Cause look at them.
Oh. Yeah, well, watch
Just
him.
moonwalking.
Watch him. Tell me until you start going over here.
They're both just chilling outside the house. One's coming towards the gate.
Hey, one eye
It's coming towards my shrub more.
Fucker. I didn't mean to do that.
Oh my god. Do you see the gen? I see the generator.
Where is it?
It's back at that shed up back there.
Back here?
Over here.
Where I went?
Think.
No, over
What do I
here.
do?
I'll try my best to get it. All right.
Yeah. No, wait, where are you? Back
Remember me. I'm at the back of the house.
Shit. I'm eating. You get it?
No, but Cook, I see him. Wait, he's attacking.
Somebody else?
Yeah. Nope, I got caught by a hitchhiker trap. I'm doing it. Fuck it. One thing God taught me is to just be a beast about shit. I'm going in I don't give a fuck mode.
Good.
Go! Go to the gate!
Oh,
Is it open?
Yep.
Run!
oh boy.
Run!
I'm already there.
Yo, do you see me behind you? Full ass sprint! Yo, do you just want to chill outside the gate for a bit? Yo, I'm fucking lapping! Look at me!
There you are.
I ran from all the way back there, just... No, we gotta go past the gate, because he can turn it on.
Yeah, you should. You really.
Just go.
What is this place?
Even, they're gonna see you anyway, no matter what. Alright, we're good. Wait, let's just chill out here for a bit. Chill out here. Just keep moving so they know that it's like, we can actually escape. Here.
I got this.
Well, I'm not even half health. Hey, look
Oh,
who it is.
I'm at least 75%.
Look who it is.
I need to see how far this will be. Wait, let's do it same time.
Yo. Go.
No.
Shit hurted. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Yo, I went far on that gate. I was scared for. Oh, yo, here come Leatherface. Yo, watch out. Watch out. He's
I'm
gonna.
at help.
No, we're gonna have to go because he can go through it.
Everywhere.
No, he can't go through it. I'm just playing. Wait, look at him. Look at his dumb ass.
It's like, no, he can't. He never did it before. Won't land on you.
Look at him. Yo, you might want to back up because I think Hitchhiker's going to turn off the gate. So just be ready.
I'm running.
Ready? We got Usain Bolt this shit.
Oh yeah.
Once the gate gets turned off, Leatherface is waiting. Look at his ass. Wait, Grandpa's activated. I'm gonna move around so that. Wait, they're just gonna see Leatherface when they come over here. They're gonna come thinking it's this game and just see his ass. Alright, you ready? Once Leatherface starts coming over here, we're gonna run. All right?
Wait, let's back up.
Cause they're going to turn off that gate.
Yeah.
Ready? Go! Go!
You nailed it.
Please help me.
I knew they were going to turn off the gate. Yeah, I did go earlier because I saw them turn off the gate.
Ah, yeah, that's true.
What's with all the like cameras?
Obama's here today. Obama's here today.
I think Obama might be here today or something.
What's this black thing over there? What is that?
Obama.